you, Diyos. Ano ba yung end live na ako eh? Last na. End live na ako guys. Nagchika sa akin na classmate ko dati. Who is it? Oh, thank you, Josh. Sorry. So, thank you. Wala ko mapag-end live na to. Stuck in the time when we call it. Kuya pa kayo. Oh, thank you, Jion Sung and Hanhin Patamo. Thank you. And sino ba yun? Zara Alfaro. Thank you. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. How many months na match it? It took me years. Kasi hindi ako, pure gym. I'm hybrid. I do runs. I'll be posting na naman later eh. Post naman naman na gym breaks. Kaya pwede kumagat. Sure lang. Bye guys. That's na, pack bounce. Bye bye na. Love you all guys. Pagpayos mo sa bench. Pass lang, pass. Even the sunset together. Cheers, balik ka na daw sa Shapers. Sure po. Balik talaga ako sa Shapers. I'm around 5'7". Thank you talaga, Shapers team. Thank you din talaga. And Barbers, I'll be back. Kaya sa din absence. That's na. Bye guys. And live na ako. Ito lang info yan. Sukatin mo. Yeah, I'll be posting later. Happy New Year guys. Love you all. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Sure, bye-bye.
Yeah, which David Lammy did not appeal.
Yeah.
He didn't appeal that
So
ruling.
it's really starting to look like this government are a load
Well,
of
but that's
terrorist
it.
sympathisers, and all of this together